Hello everyone. Welcome to Systematic Sheet 7. Today we are learning one of the most important Excel formulas, the if function. The if function allows Excel to make decisions automatically based on a condition. Let's get started. So, what is the if function? The if function asks a question. If the answer is true, Excel returns one result, and if the answer is false, Excel returns another result. For example, did the employee achieve a sales of 100,000 or more? If yes, then bonus. If no, then no bonus. The if function syntax. The formula is if bracket open logical test, comma, value if true, comma, value if false, then bracket close. Let's understand each part. The logical test is the condition. The value if true is the result if the condition is met or true. And the value if false is the result if the condition is not met or false. Now let's write our formula for this scenario. We have created a column named status. In cell D2, type is equal to if open parentheses B2 is greater than or equal to 100,000, comma, bonus in quotation marks and another comma, then no bonus in quotation marks, and then close the parentheses. Hit enter. Now drag the formula down. Excel automatically determines who received the bonus. So now we explain the results. Ali has sales above 100,000. The result is bonus. Sarah has sales below 100,000. The result is no bonus, and so on. This is how companies automatically determine incentives, commissions, and employee performance. Use the if function for pass or fail results, employee bonuses, attendance status, sales targets, and inventory alerts, and so on. The if function is one of the most useful formulas in Excel. Congratulations, you have now learned how to use the if function in Excel. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the Systematic Sheet 7 channel for more Excel tutorials. Thank you for watching.